Good afternoon, Durham. I'm Jenkins, Director of the Durham County Department of Public Health, and I'm here with a very important message. The last time I addressed you, our COVID-19 case rates were low and our vaccine rates were rising. It was a good time to take a break from my weekly messages. However, I did let you know that I would address you again if needed. Unfortunately, that time is now. In the past few weeks, we have seen significant increases in case rates across the state as the Delta variant has rapidly spread and vaccination rates have slowed. Today, Durham, I'm here to provide important information to help us all stay safe, to help you stay alive. Yesterday, in his COVID-19 briefing, Governor Roy Cooper and Secretary Manning Cohen took us through the state's most recent COVID-19 metrics. Simply put, we are seeing some of the most significant increases in case rates since the pandemic began. After all the progress we've made as a state in slowing the spread of COVID-19 thanks to vaccines, the arrival of the significantly more contagious Delta variant at a time when vaccination rates have slowed down has caused cases to drastically rise. Make no mistake about it. These increases are caused by too many people who are still unvaccinated. Although we have known since the arrival of the vaccine that it's still possible to become infected with COVID after being vaccinated, now known as a breakthrough case, the overwhelming majority of new COVID-19 cases are among people who are unvaccinated. Additionally, almost all new hospitalizations and deaths are among the unvaccinated. As Secretary Cohen explained, if you have not taken your shots, you are at greatest risk. You are putting yourself in danger, and you are endangering the health and safety of others. This is now being called a pandemic of the unvaccinated because those who are unvaccinated are keeping the pandemic alive. Undoubtedly, people who are fully vaccinated are being affected by the unvaccinated as well. How? By prolonging the pandemic, all people are being kept from safely doing the things we love and seeing the people we love. Perhaps most important, unvaccinated people who are more likely to get infected with COVID may still spread the virus to others. On rare occasions, it may spread to people who are vaccinated, but it is also being spread to children who are too young to be vaccinated. Right now, we are seeing higher rates of infection among children under the age of 12 than ever before. These children are too young to protect themselves by getting vaccinated, so they are depending on all of us to take our shots and help protect them. In yesterday's address, Governor Cooper and Secretary Cohen also addressed new CDC mask guidance. Although previous guidance indicated that fully vaccinated people may choose to go without masks, new guidance released on Wednesday recommended that all people, vaccinated or not vaccinated, continue to wear masks in areas of high COVID transmission. This underscores the fact that masks play a critical role in slowing the spread and will help us at a time when case rates are increasing rapidly. Governor Cooper recommended that North Carolina follow this guidance. But remember, masks are still required by all people entering Durham County facilities, including the health department, whether you are vaccinated or not. When you are not in a county facility, remember that even if masks are not required, they can still offer a layer of protection for yourself and for others. Please stay tuned to our website, email updates, and these video messages in case guidance about masks or other COVID protocols is updated in the coming weeks. Durham, I can't say this enough. Vaccines are the only way to end this pandemic. We cannot put the pandemic behind us unless we all make the decision to get vaccinated as soon as possible. By taking your shot, you are showing that you care about protecting yourself and you care about your family, friends, and even strangers. You may think that you don't need to be vaccinated because you don't go out often. Remember, it only takes one interaction to become infected with COVID, and this Delta variant is highly infectious. Don't be another person in the hospital on a ventilator wishing they had gotten vaccinated before it was too late. You may feel vaccines are not safe. You may be thinking of that one friend who told you a rumor about what they heard about the serious consequences of vaccines. There will always be a place to find dangerous misinformation or someone to confirm your fears. But please remember this: more than 160 million Americans have been safely vaccinated. More than 1 billion people worldwide have been fully vaccinated. There is more than enough data and years of research proving that these vaccines are safe and effective. There's just as much data showing that unvaccinated people are at much more significant risk of COVID infection and death than people who are vaccinated. Please, please, just think. Think about all that we have to lose by prolonging this pandemic. Think about the people who are still at risk by your decision not to get vaccinated. Now think of how good it will feel to know that you've done all you can to protect your loved ones. If you have questions or concerns about vaccines, please call our hotline at 919-560-9217. Email us at decodecovidvaccines@decodnc.gov, or visit our website, the CDC's website, or the state's website. You can also subscribe for email updates at the website shown on the screen. The answers to your questions are out there. We want to help you. This is a time for action. It is more critical than ever to protect yourselves and others by taking your shot as soon as possible. Case rates are rising, but it doesn't have to be this way. If we all get vaccinated and encourage others to do the same, we can do this, Durham.